Guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be unboxing the Emeet 1080p webcam. So I just got it from Amazon and I'm going to unbox it and pretty much just show you guys a quick setup. It is plug and play, so it's pretty simple. And why you guys might want this is for YouTube videos, that's why I'm having it. But if you guys do like meetings like Zoom or meetings for school or professional meetings like a job, this definitely gives you a higher quality and more focus and all that, like better webcam than your regular webcam or regular camera on your computer. So that's why I'm getting this. It's less laggy when you move. It just looks, the quality's better and looks more professional. So I mainly got this for YouTube. I'm gonna leave down like the link and all that. I'll try it to at least where I found off Amazon. But I'll have pictures in the beginning of the video of everything you guys need regarding this device. So all right, let's open it. And all right, so here we have the device. All right. So we're gonna open this thing up. All right, so now we have this. All right. So we have a little direction thing right here. And then we have the webcam itself and the wire with it. And we have this thing right here. So we'll put that aside and that's it. All right, so we had this thing right here. So you can see right here, this is like the privacy thing, right? So it's like a little setup right here. So we're gonna take this sticker off. And it looks like this pretty much goes, I hope I'm doing this right, like right here. Let's make sure I'm doing this right first. So that goes like that. So you wanna put this one. So put this one like that. And okay, just like that. So when you're not using it, you wanna put that there. So you can't spy on you. And then when you wanna use it, you just flip that up. Ooh. Like that, and then pretty much just like plug and play. So we're going to take this off right here. Right. By the way, I'm not sponsored. That was, I would say so, but I definitely leave it down in the description, but I'm not sponsored. I just bought this and I want to make a video on it to see if it's any good. So plug and play, right? That's all we do. Plug this into our computer and it should work. So we're going to go, I'm going to show you guys on the computer. All right, so what we're going to do, if you have a Mac, want the extender if you need it. So I'm going to put that on. All right, so all we're going to do is just connect this right to the side, just like that, and then we're going to plug and play right to our computer, just like that. Actually, what this does is this comes out like this, like that, and then all you want to do is just put this on the back, right, just like that, and it stays. So let me push that down, and it stays just like that. So now what I'm going to do is actually, all right, so once you go anywhere, like let's say face cam, right, it's going to show you camera. Right now, as you see, it's right now using my Mac camera here. So how to fix that is you guys want to pretty much go over on the top, click on, where is it, video, and then you actually want to go to your webcam right here, click on that, and then now, you see the quality difference? Look at this. This is the webcam, all right? And this right here is the face, this is the regular camera. So different. So you can see, switch back again, and we can actually put video, and we can use our microphone, or I can also use the webcam Emeet. So this actually thing does also have a webcam audio, which is pretty cool. So it definitely does also increase your audio. So you can see we move this. So face it up and down. You see this is the webcam itself. But there you guys go. You can actually bolt it in. It does have the bolts on the back, which you can see. But it does fit fine if you just put it like that. It doesn't really fall off. It's pretty cool. Just like that. And it's that easy and simple, guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do launch like Zoom or anything like that, you might actually have to do the same thing I did. Just go to your video like settings, whether it's up here or whether it's in the settings default for the website like Zoom. You can probably just do it off the Zoom app or the Zoom website, and just switch over to the webcam video or the webcam. But hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.